Ta-da! I came basically to give a review on the video I did the last time. It was about Flaxseed. So I want to show you that my hair is really growing. Flaxseed is really good for natural hair. If you're having thin hair and your hair is really difficult to grow, it's finding it difficult to grow, struggling and all, try Flaxseed. Flaxseed, I did the last video and I was trying to show you how to prepare the gel for your hair. So if you didn't watch that video, please go back and watch the last video. It is super amazing. I can tell that my hair, I am going to loosen this cornrow 2 weeks time because I just made a couple of days ago. So I am going to listen to that and show you the length and as well the texture, what it looks like. So my hair is super amazing. Flaxseed is super good for my hair. I didn't really talk about the last time how much it is good for the hair because I didn't well. But now I have tried it on I think 2 to 4 times and Flaxseed is super good for natural hair. For my hair precisely, it's really good for my hair. So I don't know your texture, your kind of hair might be different, but mine it's super cool for me. So you can give it a try. Try Flaxseed for your hair. It's really amazing. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel so you can get every video. Turn on the notification button as well. Here is my scalp. After the last treatment, I realized that my scalp is really clean. Okay, for my returning subscribers, thank you very much. I love you so much, dearly.